Fixing a Visa card decline is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through resolving a declined Visa card issue. There could be various reasons behind your Visa card decline. Firstly, if you're attempting an online transaction, ensure that you've entered the correct details. Verify the accuracy of the information you've provided. Sometimes, if your card is declined during other transactions, it might be due to suspicious activity flagged by your bank. Banks occasionally block card activity as a precaution. To resolve this, simply contact your bank and inform them that the transaction was legitimate. After verifying your identity, they'll lift the restriction, allowing you to proceed with your transactions. Another possible reason for a declined Visa card could be exceeding your spending limit. Most banks impose daily spending limits, typically ranging from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on your account. If you've surpassed this limit, you won't be able to make further transactions. To reset your spending limit, wait until the next day after 12 p.m., when the limit resets automatically. By following these steps, you can address and resolve a declined Visa card situation effectively. Remember to verify your details, communicate with your bank if necessary, and be mindful of spending limits. This ensures smooth and hassle-free transactions in the future.